Hi guys, so we're going to be going over organizing your essay. Now remember, when you finish with this, you will need to share it to your English teacher, your English language arts teacher. That's going to be McMullen, Darty, or Wilson. And we're going to first look at our word bank. So our word bank has background information, hook, conclusion, paragraph or body paragraph, rebuttal, and claim. Now, you can pull up your paragraph guides if you would like, and it can kind of help you in determining what goes where in which order. I am going to give you a hint. Your conclusion is going to come here at the end. But what I want you to do is pause the video, and I want you to fill this out the best of your ability. So go ahead and pause now. And now what we're going to do so we are going to look at our essay question, which is, should tablets replace textbooks? Over here on the left-hand side, we have a pros list. Over here on the right-hand side, we have a cons list. And we need to come up with 3 pros. We need to come up with 3 cons. So some things to consider just to get the brain going. Some things to consider with tablets and textbooks might be weight or availability. So just think about some other things that might make it easier for schools to have tablets rather than textbooks, and what might make it harder. So go ahead and pause the video and fill out the 3 pros and the 3 cons. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to look at the pro side and we are going to look at the con side. So from the Federal Communications Commission's Digital Textbook Playbook says, tablets help students learn more material faster. Technology-based instruction can reduce the time students take to reach a learning objective by 38 to 80%, according to the U.S. Department of Education and Studies by the National Training and Stimulation Association. And then on the con side, Thomas Himes' Los Angeles Unified iPad contract to be rebid among favoritism concerns says, handheld technology devices, including tablets, are associated with a range of health problems. Handhelds contribute to computer vision syndrome, which causes eye strain, headaches, blurred vision, and dry eyes. According to the American Optometric Association, people who use mobile devices more often have a higher incidence of multiskeletal disorders associated with repetitive strain on muscles, including carpal tunnel syndrome, neck pain, shoulder pain, and fibromyalgia. Okay, what you're going to do is you are going to pick which one you think you side with more. Are you more on the pro side? Are you more on the con side? When you've decided, you're going to pick one of those sources and you're going to tell me what they said in their own or in your own words. Now, when you go to write, you need to include the author tag. So the Federal Communications Commission, or the FCC, and then Thomas Himes. So pro, you'll say this means, and then you'll say according to according to the FCC. And then if you're con, you'll say this means according to Thomas Himes. So go ahead, pause the video, and complete this paragraph. Remember, it's in your own words. All right, now we're going to take this paragraph up here and we're going to condense it one more time, and we're going to only use 15 words. So we have the FCC and we have Thomas Himes. Then we have what you wrote up here, and you're going to condense it even further. So go ahead and pause the video and put this into 15 words. All right, now this is our last thing. So you're going to write one paragraph about whether or not tablets should replace textbooks. You're going to do this in an SREE format. You're going to use the information that you got here for your example, and you're going to try and organize it the way that you would your essay. So we have your statement or your claim, then we have your reason, then we'll have your example that you've already written, and then your elaboration. This shows, this means, what this is really saying. Okay, and when you finish, make sure you send it to your English teacher. Bye.